Hey guys, Chef Shane here. Thanks for joining me. Today I want to show you how to make chicken parmesan with some chili garlic butter noodles. Just a simple, quick, easy dish you can do on any weeknight. I want to show you a quick little meal today that you can make in actually 30 minutes. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first we'll cut 4 garlic cloves for our butter noodles. We'll also use some of my homemade chilies from the garden. Make our tomato sauce. We'll start out with a few tablespoons of olive oil. We'll add in our garlic cloves. Once those get nice and toasted, we'll add a little bit of our homegrown chili. Tablespoon of dried oregano. And 1 28-ounce can of San Marzano. And we'll let those tomatoes fry for probably about 25-30 minutes. Then we'll blend it up with some fresh basil. Simple as that. Now we just want to blend up our tomato sauce. Finish it with a little salt and pepper. All right, let's count out our chicken parm. A good little trick if you don't have saran wrap, is just take a gallon bag, cut it, just like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just use it as a little barrier. Take a few drops of water, just wet the inside. Then we'll take our chicken. You want to go ahead and pound it out. You're slowly just kind of pounding and then pressing lightly away from you. See what I mean? Just like that. Next, let's set up our breading station. In one tray, you just want to put some flour. The next tray, we'll put 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of potato starch, tablespoon of dried oregano. I just like to crumble it up just a little bit like that. About a teaspoon of granulated garlic and as much Parmesan as you want. Then very carefully, you just want to mix this together. Next, we'll take 3 eggs. Next, we'll take our chicken breast, put it in the flour. Then into our breadcrumbs. So make sure you really pack these in here. So there we have. I just go ahead and lay it out on another sheet tray with a little bit more of the breadcrumb on the bottom. Then you can just kind of layer it up from there. All right, let's fry some of our basil for garnish. Next, we'll drop our pasta. Go and drop our chicken. All right, let's make our garlic noodles. Start out with a little butter. Not too hot. We'll add in some more garlic and our chili. And before the garlic colors, we're gonna take some of this along with the pasta water. That's what's gonna make it nice and creamy. Finish it with some parm. Just a little bit of parsley. Done. Hey guys, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Like I said, you can make this in about 30 minutes or less. So very simple, very straightforward. You can't go wrong with a beautiful chicken parm and a very simple tomato sauce and our garlic butter noodles, which is just an emulsification of our pasta water and our butter, which is very simple and easy to make. Some fresh herbs, a little chili and garlic. Wanted to get this video out to you guys. It means a lot to me that you keep coming back week after week. If you haven't done so already, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. So thanks, guys. Cheers.